First, open the Node panel. In the search bar, type Google and choose the service you want to work with. In this case, I'll use Google Drive. Next, select Changes for Specific File, then click Create a New Credential. You'll now see that you need a client ID and client secret. Go ahead and copy the OAuth redirect URL provided. Open a new tab and go to the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your account, then click on Console, followed by Select a Project. Click New Project, give it a name, and then hit Create. Once your project is created, search for the API you need. Since we're working with Google Drive, type Google Drive in the search bar. Click on Google Drive API and enable it. This may take a few moments. After that, go to the Credentials tab, then click Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. Change the application type to Web Application. You can rename it if you'd like. In the Authorized Redirect URLs section, paste the URL you copied earlier from n8n. Then click Create. Now you'll receive your client ID and client secret. Be sure to keep these safe and don't share them with anyone. Copy both of these and paste them back into n8n. Once that's done, you should see a Sign In with Google box. Click it and complete the connection. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.